10 free Christmas star and snowflake ornaments crochet patterns. The Winter Lorry Snowflake is a crochet pattern designed by Julia Hart of Draguna. This snowflake pattern consists of 6 rounds and measures approximately 3 inches. The Sun Star Snowflake is a pattern designed by Renata Saj, available through her Ravelry store. This pattern describes an easy-to-make textured, star-shaped crochet hanging ornament. The Winter Flower Snowflake is another pattern created by Renata Saj, also available via her Ravelry store. This design is designated as Snowflake No. 1 Winter Flower and is a component of the Christmas Snowflakes Mobile 2019 collection. Crochet Star Ornaments. This free crochet pattern helps you create beautiful star ornaments, which can also be used as gift toppers or garlands. The Simple Snowflake is a free crochet pattern from Pia Fedoni of Stitches and Scraps. This pattern is characterized by its simplicity and speed, consisting of only 3 rounds. The Little Star Crochet pattern is offered by Merino and Tomatoes. This versatile crochet star is worked in the round and includes both a written pattern and a chart. The Wispvale Snowflake is a crochet pattern designed by Julia Hart of Draguna. This intricate snowflake design consists of 8 rounds and measures approximately 4 inches when completed. The Crochet Stars Christmas Ornament is a pattern provided by Crochet For You, Iranji Adashika, featured as part of the hashtag Christmas Ornament Mini Cow. The Starflower Snowflake is a crochet pattern and tutorial created by Aki M10 of Knit Pearl Hook. This design is a quick project completed in just 3 rounds and can be made with any yarn. The 15-minute Christmas crochet decoration Tassel Stars is a quick and easy crochet pattern designed by Annie Design Crochet Carmen Heffernan, intended to be completed in just 15 minutes. Find all these patterns and more on theyarncrew.com. The link to the roundup is in the description.